What's up everyone, Hero here from First Timers, and today I have my G35 here, Project G, and it's throwing a code P1084, and that stands for Exhaust Valve Timing Sensor. It's often confused as a cam sensor, which it primarily is. This is on the exhaust side, bank 2, so driver's side, and the proper way to do this by the book is to actually remove the throttle body to get to that sensor, but there is a guy on YouTube, which I'll put the link right here on the top right. He shows us going from bank 1 side, reaching in with your left hand to get to the sensor on this side. So I'm gonna try it that way, and hopefully it works for me. And just to clear things up for some people, because I was reading the forums and a lot of people are confused. This is an 05 Rev-Up edition, so it has 4 sensors, 4 cam sensors. So one for the exhaust, one for intake, and on bank 1, one for the exhaust, one for the intake. So this is the straight sensor that I'm going to be working on right now for P1084. A symptom that you might be experiencing if you're throwing this code is higher idle, higher than normal idle, like around 1200 RPMs. Or sometimes when you're driving, you'll see it hang a little bit and then slowly go down to about 1200 RPMs. So that's a symptom of it. It still drives fine, but I'm sure that the gas mileage might take a hit. But anyways, I'm just gonna get right to the sensor. I just want to change it and have it done. All right. All right, you guys. So on the forums, they're suggesting using a 10mm wrench or socket wrench if you have one. I'm using a 1/4 inch socket with an inch extension with a 10mm socket and a little 1/4 inch ratchet here. So they're suggesting you actually, it's hard to, I mean, you can push the tab to release it. On the forums, they're recommending actually loosening the bolt, take out the bolt, pull the plug out, and then use a channel lock to reach down on the sensor and then squeeze the plug in, and then you should, with your left hand, so with your right hand, you're squeezing the plug tab in, and then you should be able to pull the plug out. So I'm gonna try that right now, and if it works, great. Hopefully this tip works for you guys, and if it does, make sure to like this video. All right, here goes. I found it easier to just lay on top of this whole section here, so that's the way I'm gonna be doing it. Everything is done blind. So you just feel for it, feel that sensor, then 10mm bolt. Alright, that was easy to get. There's the bolt. Feel it jiggling. Okay, so you just twist left or right, thing spins. Should be able to pull it out. Got it. All right. I wish I could show you guys, but I'm holding the sensor up. It's clearly visible now. So I'm just gonna use this in this position. I'm gonna close on it on the tab, and then hopefully I can just pull it out. Got it. There's the sensor, straight sensor. All right, that wasn't that hard. All right, thank you forums. On this video, I'm just gonna link the pictures that I used and the forum page that I went to that just had all the information I needed. You know, just to try to make it a one-stop shop, so you don't have to go so many threads and other websites and stuff that give you misinformation. But here's the exhaust cam or exhaust timing valve timing sensor. Alright, I'm just gonna replace it now. I mean, you can't tell from the outside if it's bad or not, it's all internal, but here's the new one. The OEM one should be a Hitachi, so I went with OEM. I read that this is the one to do. This is the one to go with, not like an AC Delco or any other brand. I think Beck Arnley. I forget which other brands there are, but just go with Hitachi. This was about a $40 to $50 part, plus shipping and all that, but if it reduces headaches, I'm just gonna go with OEM, so there you go. Alright, so it should just clip in when you pull it, when you push it in. Hear that clip? Or that click sound? Alright, it's fully fastened. Oh, that's good news. Alright. Time to fish it back into position. Alright, that's tight. Plug is secure. Exhaust valve timing sensor is in. Alright, success. So people on the forums say that once you have the good sensor in there, that the check engine light should just clear itself. You could also pull the negative terminal on the battery to clear it, or if you have a scan tool, you could clear it that way. I'm gonna just start the engine and see if the service engine soon light is gone. It may, if it doesn't disappear, maybe it might need a drive cycle. We'll see. I don't know. But anyways, success. It's in there. And I still have the sensor just in case it wasn't the right one. Anyways, alrighty. Alright guys, so you do have to clear the code. I went for a test drive, but the service engine soon light was still on. So I just pulled the negative battery cable, left it for like maybe 10 minutes, put it back, cleared it, went for a drive again, and it didn't come back up. So, and then also a noticeable difference is you'll feel the power come back in your car. Like that's one of the symptoms of this code is you'll feel power loss and the high idle. Now it's idling perfectly, power came back, so we're all good. So I hope this video helped you guys, and if it did, make sure to hit that like and share. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to scroll to the bottom right, hit that subscribe. And also in the description field, make sure to join us on Facebook and Instagram. We like to post our teasers, project updates, memes, all the good stuff, you know, on Facebook before we post out our videos on YouTube. So if you're only following us on YouTube, then you won't know until the actual video gets deployed. So anyways, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below, and stay safe guys. Peace out.